Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are out here in sunny San Diego. Wait, this is San Diego, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in sunny San Diego, but it's partially sunny. We got a tropical storm coming, but it's California. Stuff always happens. Yeah, however, we are getting ready to pull the motor out of this crashed Alfa Romeo. That's my buddy Bill. And you guys know that guy, Jason Fletcher, Mr. Fletcher. And me, Smokey. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse so you can watch us do things by pulling out this motor. All right.
Let's do that rubber grommet.
We about to cut some stuff. Yes.
Take the barbecue grill off, please.
This time I'm not gonna stop recording. I'm just gonna record everything. That's.
You want to use this on the next cookout?
Barbecue grill, guys. They use a barbecue grill for the grill.
I am fight.
You can just.
I'm trying to get this out.
No, just where are you cutting?
I was going to cut this one.
Okay.
So,
Well, yeah,
10 millimeter.
Just cut. You're taking a. You gonna disconnect the radiator?
Yeah, clean it up. Have you had something?
Yeah, but I don't feel like digging.
Smoky.
You know I want to be lazy today. Come on,
Tools, just in case you and I are using the same tool, and he's going to be holding his hand out and still come up with a bargain.
It's in your hand, let me use it.
Did not say. Sorry, Bill.
Jay, why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? So they can see you in camera doing something. You took this front one off? Did you take this front one off?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Okay. I don't know. What'd you do with it?
Just put it right there. Let's put a little piece. Save the horn. Because those are hard.
An Alfetta.
Oh, I bought a box.
For nuts and bolts and stuff?
Yep.
Yeah. Really? What is that box?
Huh?
Show the camera that box.
Wait till I put it together. Wait till I assemble it, dude.
What is that box? Jay,
Well,
that box has a big giant opening in the bottom of it.
Okay, let's put it in that other oil pan thing.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay.
But the screws can go right.
So you're cutting.
There, I gotta call the police on me.
Close. Get that up close.
Sorry about that.
Where's your glasses, sir?
Yeah.
Safety, people. Safety.
Safety, sir.
I don't have glasses either, so that's why I'm stepping away.
Huh? Glasses?
You don't need no stinky glasses. I can pull the computer out.
Yeah, that's just hanging on the
I
inside.
know, right? That's matter of unplugging.
Yeah, let me do that.
Oh, wow. Back.
More. Cut more.
Hold on a second, hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah, that's electric. Here, sorry, that.
Huh?
Oh, wow.
Blue
Hold on, please. No, I don't want to touch it.
Where's the trash one? That's not it.
I'm holding stuff. I don't know why.
That's a good idea.
So back here.
There's a lot of brazing gold.
Yeah.
Hello.
You get to say it right now. Sorry about that. I didn't know.
What? From here. Well, it's easier. I mean, yes, you need your drill. Yes. Oh.
Hey.
What kind of car is this again?
Alfa Romeo, but it's using the Alfetta. See what it looks like.
Alfetta. I don't know what that means.
Alfetta's just a
Anybody in the
newer-
comments know about Alfa Romeos?
It's hard to
newer
Google
model.
that.
Just use them. It's rusty. It's rusty in there, dude.
You want me using gloves? What is these? A size medium? Large? Do you not see these sausage fingers I got?
I do.
Wow.
I do see them.
Wow. You're not supposed to agree with me that I'm fat.
I didn't say you were fat.
Did you check
thought
this?
it.
You're gonna have
what
the engine rebuilt, right?
That's exactly why I pulled this off first, though, so we can turn that.
Yeah.
See what we got. Yeah. Let's see if it will turn. I did
Look at
bring it.
this. Look at this, y'all. Look, America. Look at this.
Get this started. Oh,
They're being attacked by spiders.
Let's take the swim off, though. About that.
We're gonna get it off, right?
So
No, it's a bit. That's crazy.
we got the front end cut off.
Here.
We are, sorry, I'm adjusting my camera. Front end is cut off. Now we're trying to figure out if we can turn the motor. As you can see,
Cut right through it, or
the bar is pressed into the pulley. And we need to see if this motor is turnable. I don't know. It's questionable. Push your fingers down. Because we're trying to take this motor out.